and Cobra. We're going to talk about Cobra for a few minutes. Cobra is a benefit that an employee is allowed to have by law upon termination from an employer. So what's going on right now with the recession is people are getting laid off left and right. Many of the people are married, they have homes and families and dependents. And many people also are having what we call a blended family, which may be the person's second or even third marriage, and there's children from the first marriage that are dependents for the employer, the employee. So what's happening is this. In the event of a termination of employment, the law says that the employee has 18 months to keep the same plan at work. The same plan that he had at work, he could carry it with him at home for 18 months. And I'm not going to get involved in the technicalities of whether he pays for it up front or pays for it as it goes, but there's a way you can keep the plan for 18 months, okay? The average family premium, that's husband, wife, and dependents, okay, is over $1,183 a month. $1,183 a month is the average plan's cost. So if you're going through a crisis in your life, looking for jobs, you don't want this burden hanging around your neck if you can avoid it. So, if you're healthy, and you can get by the underwriters, there's a way I can show you where you can save. You could cut that in half. You can save $600 to $800 a month, by going on the internet and searching a website that offers multiple insurance carriers for your zip code, and they offer family plans. And only go with name brands. Only go with big carriers like Humana, Aetna, Cigna, and United, the 4 big companies. The place to go is www.humanatampa.com. It's humanatampa.com. It will offer you, based on your zip code and age, about 117 different plans from those 4 carriers. And many times you can save hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And what you'll also find, and I found this to be true, that even after the person gets a new job later on, maybe 2 or 3, 4 months later, by the time they go through the paperwork and the waiting period, they're better off just keeping the plan they got on the individual plan than they are taking a new company plan, because they're still going to save hundreds of dollars. The other situation with Cobra is in the event of death or divorce. In that situation, the benefits can be extended for 36 months. So if you have a widow or a widower or a divorced person, and they're relying on their former spouse's insurance plan, they could carry it for up to 36 months. But many times it's very, 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 very expensive. So we teach people how to go to websites like humanatampa.com, plug in the parameters by zip code, gender, and date of birth, and it will lay out for that person all the alternatives that are available and save hundreds and hundreds of dollars per month. And wouldn't it be better to take the money in savings and be able to put it back in your pocket, or be able to do something else with that money, like put it in a retirement plan, put it in an emergency fund or savings account, things like that. So I just want to let you know that Cobra is a big, big item right now, especially with our recession and our economy. And more people are finding that Cobra is prohibitive, and they're just dropping it. So they're going to take Cobra for a month or 2, and then they're going to cancel. Go to humanatampa.com, spend 10 minutes, see how much money you can save, and you will be well rewarded. I promise you. My name is Joe Phillip, and I'm doing this little speech as a community project for my company. Thank you for watching.